Welcome to part 4 of how a Japanese Shoji screen is made. In this part you'll see the machining of a mortise. It'll be done on a CNC mill which I designed and made myself. There is another video on my channel showing this machine. It's very accurate, and you'll see as I machine this mortise I check with a digital vernier, to make sure the mortise is centered on the timber. And in this case it's a style, one of the styles of the Shoji screen. There's a mortise and tenon joint on each corner of the Shoji screen. Machine, as I said, is very accurate to less than 1/10 of a millimetre, but the setup can make the position of the material not as accurate as that, which is why I check to make sure that the mortise is being cut in the centre of the material, and then I adjust the start position of the bit, the router bit, so that it machines, the CNC mill machines the mortise in the centre of the material. It's a standard up flute router bit. Spindles are very quiet compared to routers. A spindle, when it's not cutting, is virtually silent, unlike a router. In the close-up of the machining, you'll see it steps down about 4 millimetres in each pass. It also steps from the inside to the outside, and this gives a much cleaner cut. The machine runs a program called, was running on a program called Mach 3, which is the program used to drive a lot of CNC machines. The design of the mortise was done on another program called VCarve, and the VCarve file obtained is put into the Mach 3 program, and Mach 3 drives the position of the cutter. The CNC mill can cut one of these mortises in about 9 minutes. The material is 40 millimetres wide and 30 millimetres thick. The mortise that's being cut into this particular style is 20 millimetres wide, 30 millimetres long and 30 millimetres deep. I'll sped the sequence up to because there's no point in having it at slow speed. You can see it being done quicker. A mortise can be cut in other ways. It can be cut with a chisel and a mallet, or it could be done with a router and a jig. But this is much faster than either of those two methods, and more accurate as well. It would take 5 or 6 times as long to cut this mortise using a chisel and a mallet. And because the machine does this process without any supervision, I can go off and do other things. I generally cut the tenons on my table saw while the mortises are being cut with the CNC mill. And I've completed all the tenons before the CNC mill is completed all the mortises. So it's having a machine like this has a multiplication factor. It makes your productivity much higher. And now you'll see a finished mortise, and I thank you for watching. this part, and I hope you found it enjoyable.